Hello everyone, welcome to our official HVBAN product review. I'm excited to show you our EP Portable Series Airless sprayers. They combine compact design with professional power, capable of delivering a perfect finish for wide range painting applications. Let's get started. Here are the key specifications for your quick review. The EP series includes professional features. Using the EP230 as an example, let's start with the motor. Powering every EP series model is a long-life brushless DC motor. It means no brushes to replace, reduce the noise, and a much longer lifespan. Moving to the pump assembly. We use a chrome steel piston rod, premium American V packings, and tungsten steel valves. This ensures strong sealing and durability. Moreover, the EP270 comes with a ceramic piston pump as standard for better wear resistance, and the EP310 offers it as an option. Also standard is the smart control system. This digital display shows real-time pressure, allowing you to adjust it precisely for any job. Now let's look inside. Here is the drive housing. Inside, we use reinforced 5-level grading gears, Japanese IKO bearings, and Germany INA bearings to ensure reliable performance and an extended lifespan. We protect them with premium Japanese grease. Watch this test. Unlike other brands that burn and leave heavy black residue, our premium Japanese grease transforms cleanly into liquid with zero impurities. Next is the manifold filter, crafted from aviation-grade aluminum. It ensures stable pressure for a smoother finish, while reducing clogging for easy maintenance. Finally, all models share a triple-layer suction hose and a robust stainless steel frame. They are built to withstand harsh environments. With these features, the EP series ensures stable operation, extends service life, and delivers a professional finish. Now let's see the machine in action. That's all. Hope this review of the EP Portable Series is helpful. The EP Portable Series is compact, smart, and built to last. We've got more product videos coming soon, so stay tuned. If you're ready for a quote, just head over to our website. Thanks for watching.